Sam!
Huh.
Sam, did you eat them all again?
It wasn't me.
Oh, really? Who then?
It was, Mr. Pringles! Yep, you see, he made them and then he ate them.
Huh, shall we ask him then?
Oh, well, he already left. He's got a lot to do.
Oh, no problem. We'll bring him back in an hour and clear this up.
Oh.
Hi, guys. Today we're going to make something really unusual. We'll make a man out of a Pringles can.
I bet it'll take a long time. We need to make a body and a costume and eat all the potato chips.
You already ate them. Anyway, it's gonna be quick and easy. You only need creativity.
Oh, we've got plenty of that. Let's get started.
I've already started.
Oh.
I'm cutting the bottom part of the can off. Guys, don't forget to be very careful working with sharp tools. Let's continue cutting our can in pieces. This way. Be careful with the scissors, too.
Huh. Are you trying to reach that face, Susie?
Not exactly. We need all the other parts of the can, too.
Are you implying that the costume will be made of this can as well?
Well, we can't make Mr. Pringles out of anything else. We'll start with his pants. We need to cut 4 pieces like this out of the can.
Express cutting! Express cutting! You've used the services of the best express cutting.
Great job, Sammy! Guys, don't forget to take the upper layer of the can off. Sammy, what are you reading there? Searching for Pringles recipes?
No, it turns out that the company couldn't come up with a name for a long time until one of the employees looked into a phone book. He saw a street there, Pringle Drive. The company liked this name.
Unbelievable! And who's the man on the can?
It's a cook, Julius Pringle.
Oh, okay, so that's what we're gonna call our man today. Julius.
I'm gonna go look into a phone book too. What if I invent something genius?
Let's not upset Sammy and tell him no one uses phone books anymore. So guys, let's glue another piece of adhesive tape.
So I couldn't find a phone book. Genius ideas ain't gonna happen.
Sammy, a phone book is not the only source of inspiration.
Actually, yes. I can also rewatch some videos on our channel. That's your inspiration, guys.
Okay, I made this base piece. Let's turn it into a real pant leg.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't mind having a bright green costume too.
Wow, I wonder why you would need one.
It would highlight my individuality. Plus, I think it's hiding a superpower.
What superpower?
Time acceleration!
Hey!
How do you like it, Elon Sue?
Not bad. That means you can do it even without a costume.
You should only believe in yourself. Is one pant leg ready?
Almost.
Woo!
We only need to give it shape. Let's make a knee bending so that our man's legs look natural. This way. Now let's give some volume at the hem of the pants. This way Mr. Pringles won't look flat. I made little cuts in the adhesive tape strip. Stick it this way. Wrap it with the tape. By the way, where's Sammy? Anyway, let's give volume to the pant leg. Done.
Phew! Am I on time? I just finished making this.
Sammy, I'm glad you didn't waste your time, but what is that?
Oopsie. Mistake. I confused the prop. Here's what I made. And the wrapper was needed for inspiration.
Good job, Sammy. Guys, it's very important to shape the pants. Our gentleman's being realistic depends on that. I'll repeat the same actions we made with the first leg. This way our Mr. Pringles will look more lively.
I hope adhesive tape won't make these pants look latex.
Oh, don't worry about that. I promise it'll look perfect. So guys, let's move on to making the upper part of our man. We could use some magic. What do you say?
Not bad, Sue, but even the thinnest person in the world can't fit this jacket.
You're right, Sam. That's why we should give it volume, just like we did with the pants.
By the way, I didn't think that Pringles could become a good motivation for me.
According to the half-eaten chips, I think I know what exactly it motivates you to do.
No, Sue, not that. At first, chips weren't in demand. And many experts suggested to remove them from sale, but the company didn't give up. Years later, it restarted and succeeded. That means it's important to never give up and keep moving towards your aim.
Wow, feels like our Mr. Pringles can be a great business coach. His jacket is already ready.
Well, not exactly ready.
Sammy, is this the collar?
Yes, that's right.
We'll glue 2 pieces in front. This way. And 2 other in the back.
Oh, I got it. I'll finish.
And I'll make something that's going to be under the jacket. Voila! While Sam's away, I'll use more magic. Check this out.
Huh, I see that everything is stylish under the jacket as well. Here, take it.
Oh, is it ready?
Yep.
Let's combine everything. First, we glue the shirt under the jacket this way.
I think the shirt's too short.
Yeah, but we're making only the part that will be seen. Great. Also, we cut out these little pieces. Any idea what for?
On closer examination, I can assume these are hands.
You're right, these are our hands. Let's glue everything together.
Oh, yeah.
Who ate all my potato chips?
Whoever it was, I'll buy you a new pack. I promise.
Don't be afraid, these are just the hands of our Mr. Pringles.
Huh. This style reminds me of the characters from Coco, the movie.
Oh yeah, it's very similar. Now let's move on to the shoes.
Oh, his shoes are gonna be bright.
Yes, Sammy, we're making a bright man with this unique and extravagant look. Glue it here. Be careful. These pieces are so tiny.
You know, Sue, almost everyone wants to dress bright and unique. But most people are shy to do it and follow the rules imposed by others. Why can't I walk around wearing a green costume with bright green shoes, for example?
Oh, I can imagine you dressed like that. Extravagant. Anyway, you're saying the right stuff. One shouldn't be afraid of being judged by others. You see, the main thing is to not judge others, especially when it comes to how they look.
Shall we add another adjective to the name of our channel? Why?
You're daydreaming, Sammy. Better carefully cut out the face of our mister.
Sure, I'll be careful working with the cutter. So, I thought Mr. Pringles needed a neck to wear a tie, you know.
Great job, Sammy.
So, we have the face, but only one shoe?
Just a moment. Up. Check out these unique, elegant shoes we made.
Sue, they're awesome! We should make them in mass production.
And who wears shoes without socks?
Actually, it's rather trendy nowadays.
One shoe is ready. That's possible, Sammy, but you know, usually gentlemen wear shoes with high socks. Classic is always in fashion.
Should we just put everything together now?
Yes, Sammy. Thanks to the fact that we put paper socks in our shoes, they perfectly fit our pants. There. See? Now let's connect the upper and the lower parts of the body. Perfect. And attach the head to it. This way. Here, our Mr. Pringles is almost ready.
I didn't find a stand for him. I looked everywhere.
I found it on you, Sammy.
Oh, oopsie.
We only need to glue it to the man.
We're almost ready.
Well, Sammy, now we're gonna find out who ate my potato chips.
Wait, let's first admire our work.
All right, it's worth it.
Beautiful. I think it's one of our best creations. And does it even matter who ate some chips some time ago? Just check out the job we've done.
Don't worry, Sammy. Of course, Mr. Pringles is beyond that. Who do you think this gentleman could be?
He really looks like the host of some grand show. Sam and Sue's culinary show, for example, huh?
Good idea, but I like Sue and Sam's culinary show more. Guys, as you can see, this is a very easy and quick thing to craft, so try and make a man like this at home.
You can also eat some chips.
Of course. Guys, thank you for watching this video till the end.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button. I'm gonna go ask Mr. Pringles the recipe of those tasty chips.
Bye-bye.